Ever wonder what the future holds? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off on a mind-bending journey through 5 future concepts that will blow your socks off. We're diving deep into the world of innovation and exploring ideas that might seem like science fiction, but could soon be science fact. So get ready to have your mind amazed. Let's jump right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The BMW Motorrad Vision. Next 100 wasn't just a motorcycle on display. It was a glimpse into a future where riding is pure, unadulterated freedom. Forget the days of heavy leathers and full-face helmets. The Vision Next 100 relies on a digital companion, a combination of advanced motorcycle tech and a next-gen rider's suit. This system ensures safety without the need for traditional protective gear. This futuristic motorcycle features self-balancing technology, keeping you upright at all times, even at a standstill. The rider, in the Vision Next, wears a sleek visor that provides wind and weather protection, along with vital information projected directly onto the lenses. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a vision of a future where human and machine become one, where riding is an experience unlike any other. The air car concept throws open the door to a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. This futuristic 4x4 jet aircraft is designed to be both practical and luxurious. Measuring just 6 meters long, the air car is surprisingly spacious, accommodating a pilot and 3 passengers comfortably. Its carbon fiber body keeps weight down, allowing for efficient flight. No need for lengthy runways. The air car utilizes 4 powerful Rolls-Royce jet engines that can rotate, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. This means you can take off and land from almost anywhere, offering incredible flexibility. The air car boasts an estimated top speed of 750 kilometers per h, letting you travel vast distances in record time. With a range of 1,200 kilometers on jet fuel, you can tackle long journeys without worry. Those 4 jet engines do double duty. Each engine can adjust its own angle and direction, providing exceptional stability and allowing for agile maneuvering. This makes navigating tight spaces or taking sharp turns a breeze. The air car concept is a glimpse into a future where personal air travel becomes a reality. The Peugeot Inception Concept isn't your ordinary car. It's a transformative experience on wheels. Imagine stepping into a luxurious lounge designed to elevate every aspect of travel. Forget clunky buttons and knobs. The Inception features a revolutionary hyper-square control system. Imagine a giant tablet as your central control unit. It utilizes fingertip controls and voice recognition, making interacting with the car feel like playing a high-tech game. Feeling stressed? The Inception Concept offers an autopilot function, allowing you to kick back and relax while the car handles the driving. Perfect for long journeys or navigating congested highways. Imagine settling into plush, enveloping seats that adjust to your body for ultimate comfort. Each seat features an integrated HD screen, perfect for catching up on movies or shows while you travel. Plus, smart storage solutions ensure everything you need is within easy reach. The panoramic roof, called the Sky Space, bathes the interior in natural light and fresh air. Plus, it adjusts its tint based on the outside light conditions, creating a constantly pleasant and sophisticated ambience. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where you can bypass congested highways and soar above the clouds. The Verco XP4 isn't just an electric aircraft. It's a revolutionary concept that redefines personal transportation. The XP4 isn't just a joyride for one. It comfortably seats 4 passengers, making it perfect for weekend getaways with friends or family. It is powered by clean electric energy, minimizing its environmental impact. No need for lengthy runways. The XP4's 4 tilting ducted fans allow for vertical takeoff and landing, offering incredible flexibility. You can take off and land from almost anywhere, eliminating the need for airports or landing strips. Cruise through the skies at an impressive 84 miles per hour. With a range of up to 60 minutes, the XP4 allows you to explore further and experience the thrill of flight for extended periods. The XP4 prioritizes safety with a high degree of automation in the cockpit. This makes flying more accessible, even for those without extensive piloting experience. Boundary layer. Technology's Electra isn't just another vessel. It's a revolution in eco-friendly water travel. Imagine traversing across vast stretches of water in spacious comfort, leaving minimal impact on the environment. Electra is a fully electric ferry, eliminating harmful emissions and contributing to cleaner air and water. This aligns perfectly with the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation solutions. Electra boasts a cruising speed of 40 knots, twice the speed of existing electric ferries. Combined with its impressive 9,000 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, Electra offers a range of up to 100 nautical miles. This means faster crossings, more efficient routes, and the potential to connect previously unreachable destinations. At the heart of Electra's success lies its cutting-edge hydrofoil design. These underwater wings lift the hull out of the water at speed, dramatically reducing drag by up to half. Electra isn't just about speed and efficiency. It offers a comfortable travel experience for up to 150 passengers. Imagine enjoying breathtaking coastal views on a spacious deck, or relaxing in a comfortable cabin while the world glides by silently beneath you. And there you have it, 5 future concepts that are sure to amaze and inspire. Which innovation are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the possibilities of tomorrow.